DK Custom Products Softail tank lift comes with everything needed for an easy install. There's no need to remove the tank. It fits all twin cam Softails 2000 through 2017. It's a patented design made from billet aluminum, CNC cut. It comes with a black powder coat finish or a machine cut finish, which can be polished to a mirror finish. For such a small product, the benefits are many on a Softail tank lift. You're going to have cleaner lines, it just looks better. You're going to have better cooling. It gets the tank up off of the engine instead of trapping all the heat, wrapping around the top of the engine. It gets it up off the top of the engine, and you're going to have 10 to 15 degree cooler engine temperature. It's going to show off more of the chrome. It's going to be easier to clean, and that air that now is going under the tank across the bottom of the tank over the top of the engine, that air is no longer going over the top of the tank, hitting the rider in the chest and buffeting them. So you're going to have reduced rider buffeting. With the Softail tank lift, there is a deluxe option, and that lifts the back of the tank a little bit. It's not necessary at all, but a lot of people like it. It keeps the tank a little bit higher in the back as well as in the front. There is a rubber gasket that is at the front of the tank, and when you put the tank lift on, you can just unhook that gasket and leave it in there, or you can do like what most people do, and that's just to remove the whole thing. There's really no need for it. If you have friends who have a Softail, share this video with them, help them out. Also, we have tank lifts for Sportsters, Dynas, touring models, including the trikes. So you can look at the link below to see all of those. If you liked the video or found it useful, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel, it helps us out a lot. And comment below. If you've done one of our tank lifts, put a comment down below. If you have any questions about tank lifts, put a comment down below and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. You all ride safe out there.